My dear student, today I am going to discuss about the class 6A and 6C chapter 4. That chapter 4 topic is there given, that word procedure mail merge. So now we introduce what is the actual purpose of the mail merge and what is the benefit of mail merge. That we know that sometimes in any celebration that we want to invite some friends, we want to inform some friends or relatives. So we do usually these things. That here you see, to invite them we get invitation card printed and common details like reasons for celebration, venue, date and time of the event, and instructions to how to reach the venue. Then we send them to the people and we want to invite. This is the usual common things that we are doing in invitation, in a celebration, in any type of occasion, that if we want to invite our relatives or friends, we are doing that. But second one is that type a letter with the common content and get it photocopied and send it to each individual. These all things that we are doing, and we are getting the printout and we are giving that printed card, invitation card. So but MS Word provide the facility of the mail merge for regarding these two types of work. That what we do with the help of mail merge, that we understand some of the advantages they are given. It is easy to make the changes or corrections. Second is that once the merged letter is set, we can send the letters to many people and the letter can be saved or reused again and again. In a mail merge we need three types of main components. First is that data source, second is that main document, third is that merge document. So you see here, first data source means what? The details of the friends or relatives, whatever records you are having, that people to whom you want to invite in your celebration, in your program, that is that list of the details of the person, like this that you see. Here I have written that 5 related records of the people to whom I want to invite in our program, in our celebration, in our occasion. So we have written here that records of the people, that is known as data source. That means to whom you want to invite, the address, details, phone number, and these all records is known as data source. Now next is that main document, the letter, which one common letter I want to invite, I want to share with that number of people. That means invitation letter. What is that? Invitation letter. You see here, this type of invitation letter I want to give. So invitation to dear, and here the people name will be that. So to whom I want to invite, the address. You are accordingly invited to my birthday party on 25th of next month. This party begins 5:30 p.m. and finishes at 7:30 p.m. The birthday party will be held in the lawns of Taj. Hope to see you there. With love, Jenny. That means this type of invitation letter is known as main document, the common content that we want to share with the number of people. That you see here, that merge document means what? After mail merge applying, after inserting the merge field, so we will get that merge document. What is that merge document? You see here, this type of merge document. See here, first name, last name, address, city, first name, these all records will be here in the merge field. First name, to whom I am inviting, the first name will be displayed here. Last name, that to whom we are inviting, that last name of the person will be displayed here. To whom I am inviting, what is the address of that person, that will be here placed. And individually 5 letters, 5 addresses given, so 5 records, 5 letters will be created, will be generated. If 200 people are there, so in our data source, the 200 letters individually with each name, so that 200 copies of the letter will be generated. This is the facility of the mail merge. That you see, this is that inserted merge fields. Now so we understand what is the data source, this one, and what is that main document, this one. So next is that merge document that you see here. So merge document is this. That means individual letters. If we have 5 records here, that means 5 individual letters will be generated as a merged document after merging. So each individual 5 letters we will get. It will be automatically created with the help of MS Word, with the facility of the mail merge. I hope you understood that what is the best benefit of that mail merge. That we understand now from the content of the book that is given here. So mail merge, we need the data source file which contains details of the person, main document, and the content common text for each person. Data source, I hope you understood the list of our friends or relatives to whom we wish to send the invitations. In the tabular form, we can record these records in MS Word or in Excel file, but in tabular form. So main document, that is MS Word file, where we have to write the common letter, the common content that we want to share. The information from the data source will be merged into the main document and we will get merged document. That means both main document and data source are integrated into one and document either printed or saved. That means name of the address of the person and the letter will be merged, and individual address of the people according to that merged document will be generated or created. Okay, so this is that data source file, this is that main document, that invitation letter where we will write all, and the steps to be followed. That we will open main document. After that we will go mailing tab. So in mailing tab we will get start mail merge group, this one, and here we will choose later. So if we want to create that for any documentary, that directory, that label, envelopes, but we will discuss letters. Okay, we will choose here letters. After that you have to choose that which type of list is there. Select the recipient. New you want to create, you can type new address of the people, but if you have already, so use existing list. That means the Word file or Excel file from where you want to add the address of the list of the people, that you can choose here. After that you will locate and you will get that this type of insert merge field in your main document, and insert merge field will get all the fields name, all the column heading name, whatever is given in your data source, that you have to drag and you have to place at this main document like that. When you will drag that address field, you will get that first name in that 2 angle bracket enclosed, last name, address, city, like this you will get that. After that, preview the result, you will click and you will get individual letters by address data source. So 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, by next you can get here, and by first one and last record that you can get here. After that you can print also these documents. So after that finish group, that you will get there the select print options also. So you will print this letter and you will get that print out. So now, so in such a way we can print all the records, we can print particular records, that it depends on you. So merged documents you can print, and each individual letters you can send mail also directly. That means directly you can send mail, directly you can get print out, so you can export and you can give that. It is the best benefit of mail merge. Now we go for the question answer round. So this one exercise section. So what is the mail merge is an important feature. Why that is given here. Why? If unable to view that complete answer, that I make my pictures smaller and you can view that. This is the question answer that I have given for benefit of you, that you can write in your copy and you can learn that. If any doubt you can comment, share and subscribe to your classmates also. Share more and more, so that like my video and subscribe. That you see here that question answer providing you for your benefits. You can pause the video, you can write the question answer in your copy. For correction I will ask. Now this is the third C number questions. This is D number questions. So I hope so that this is C number, that you must get that time to pause. That's why I'm waiting here 5 seconds at least. So this is D and E number question. If any problem to understand the question also, you can go through the video, understand again, and then it will be easier to now fill in the blanks. So we go for with that. First, mail merge. Features of MS Word allows us to send the personalized invitations. Data source file contain the detail of the person. The common text which will go in each letter is known as main document. Main document and data source will be integrated into the merge document. We can preview and merge document by clicking on that command in preview result group button. Preview result is a toggle switch. Finish and merge command is located in a finish one group under mailing tab. We save list of invitees in that tabular form. Data source file can be either Word or Excel file. First row of the data source file should have column heading. Now the match the following. That I hope so this is clear to you all. So now list of invitees. Okay, that sorry, this is not coming from the first one, but it will come all, I hope so. Okay, so you see that and you write that one in copy side by side. That means first one answer, third one data source, side by side you will write in your copy. Okay, not that in zigzag way. I have given as given in a book, but you write side by side these answers. Okay, that will better for you. Understood? That you see side by side you have to write. Now, so question number 4, that MCQ. Mail merge is an important feature of MS Word which require data source and main document. Data source contains record a person. The one of these is not at the command of mailing tab, that is change style. Using this icon we can view the first, previous, next or last record of the data source. This is that. The merge to printer window provides us the option of printing all of these, current record, all. We can print according to our choice. Now the IF number in a data source file, each column head is called the field and row will be called record. We can create our data source file in Word or Excel file. The information from the data source will be merged into the main document. The dash group is not displayed on the ribbon under mailing tab style. The finish and merge command is located within finish under group mailing tab. Okay. So now true and false. Mail merge is possible only if we have two documents. Yes, this is true. Main document is also referred to as a merge document. False. The data source file should not contain anything other than data table. True. The merged document can be viewed by clicking on the open data source icon. False. Once the merged letter is set, we can send a letter to many people. Yes, true. Data source file contain common text of a file. No, the main document is contained. So this is false. Write and insert field group is located under the insert for tab. False. Preview the result command is placed within the preview result group. So this is true. Preview result command is a toggle switch, a toggle button. Yes, true. We cannot define the range of the merged letters to be printed. False. My dear student, thank you. So I hope so you liked and you share, you get benefit and understand that what is the concept of the mail merge in MS Word. Subscribe the channel, share more and more. The other students can get the benefit. Thank you. And write all question answer, all section A, section B, subjective, true, false, MCQ, all in your copy. Thank you, my dear.